Hi students. So the JEE main aspirants of 2024. Last minute, because the exam is fast approaching, we would like to share some guidelines to you which will help you in taking you towards the success. General preparation part anta complete aitundi and we are in the verge of the preparation, and in the end we are trying to take the full length practice test, grand test antamano. So avi teeskuntunnamo, and this success actually it can be divided into three parts. From the beginning, the preparation, consistency, and having enough patience to maintain the same type of composure through these 2 years. That is one thing. Next, revision start aina tarvata you have to choose the important topics, and then which are not only important, some of your favorite topics which you can really do well, avi teeskoni chestu untaru. And this is the peak end. Now we have almost reached very close to the examination time. ఇప్పుడు బేసికలీ ఏం చేస్తే ఈ లాస్ట్ 10 డేస్ని మనం అంటే అడ్వాంటేజెస్గా తీసుకొని సక్సెస్ వైపు వెళ్ళగలుగుతాం అనేది వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు జస్ట్ డిస్కస్. సో అటెండింగ్ ది ప్రాక్టీస్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఆర్ గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇప్పటిదాకా మీరు ఎంతైనా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినా getting exposure to different types of problems in the full length papers, that is very important. And not only that, the paper discussion will help you in solving the problems in some of the easy techniques and all. So definitely without fail you people have to attend the exams and also get your doubts clarified. Then the next step after that is recollection and recap of the formulae. Most of the times a student will get stuck because in physics we know that there will be interrelation between different chapters. You might be preparing few chapters very well, but మిగతా చాప్టర్స్లో బేసిక్ ఆర్ ఫండమెంటల్ ఫార్ములాస్ కనుక ఐడియా లేకపోతే you'll get stuck in doing a problem. So try to make a list of the chapters which are linked with the other topics and all, like mechanics లో ఫార్ములాస్ అవన్నీ మనకి ఎలక్ట్రోస్టాటిక్స్లో కానీ వేరే వేరే టాపిక్స్లో రెగ్యులర్గా వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. సో యూ పీపుల్ నీడ్ టు get the basic idea of all the important formulae in laws of motion or the two-dimensional or one-dimensional motion. Like that, interrelated concepts ఉన్న formulas అన్ని రెగ్యులర్గా రిపీట్ చేసుకుని రివైజ్ చేసుకోవడం అనేది ఇట్ ఇస్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో you should make a list of such topics and such formulae, and then revising them regularly for these 10 days will help you to quickly recollect them in the examination hall. Danki you can also follow a simple method, flashcards laga petkuni important formulas varaku oka 4 or 5 to 10 important formulae every day prepare cheskuni, whenever you find time you try to just go through those flashcards, and at the end of the day you will become very thorough in those things. So a 10 formulae per day for 10 days, it is 100 formulae, right? So 10 formulae per day, that will help you to solve many of the questions more easily in the examination. That is one thing. And then please don't go for any new concepts or new topics in the end. Whatever you have learned, try to reiterate on them. Malli dani meeda revision chesi, you must try to get more confidence and grip over those concepts. And whatever you are lagging when you are writing the grand test, that part you have to concentrate. And it is very important that after going home you should try to solve the same paper in half an hour duration. Solving means not completely solving it by doing the calculations and all, at least whether you are able to get the formulae immediately into mind when you look at the question. That is very very important. And then calculations kuda accuracy ఉండేటట్టుగా చూసుకోవాలి. But most of the cases లో the choices will be little bit like there will be a wide difference between the choices. When the calculation is too lengthy or involves lot of decimals and all, you people can actually go for approximation when the choices are wide, like not very close, the values are not very close. When you have a wider range, then you can go for approximation and quickly come to a conclusion regarding the solution. But if the choices are very close, and a nearby readings unnappudu, don't go for this type of approximation. So that is one thing. And generally, when you repeatedly practice, you can quickly recollect. This is one thing. Then, after going to the examination hall, it is very important to maintain the composure. Generally, just before going to the examination hall, if you meet a stranger or your old friend, please don't discuss with them any of the subject related things. We have prepared these things, those things, but whatever they discuss, if you feel that you did not do those things, that will make you like little bit upset. Andukani alantivi cheyakoodu. The examination roju, whatever you have learned, you should only try to recap that, and please don't discuss with anyone. Even after getting into the examination hall, it is the approach that is very important. Preparation 50% success aithe, exam hall lo mana approach anedi, that is another 50% success. Question selection. Most of the students, they feel that reading the entire question paper is waste of time. You should quickly give a glance. You must be able to select the proper questions, and you should also be able to decide wisely for which question you have to allot the time and for which one you have to leave. ఇవన్నీ కూడా చాలా వైజ్గా డెసిషన్ తీసుకోవాలి అండ్ క్విక్గా అంటే ప్రాపర్ మీకు వచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని అవి ఫస్ట్ చేయాలి. దట్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ గివ్స్ యూ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్, ఇట్ విల్ ఆల్సో సేవ్ ది టైమ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అండ్ ప్రాపర్ సెలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ maintaining the composure throughout the examination. It is very important for your success. And main thing is, when you go to an examination hall, sometimes the system which you are allocated, that might give you trouble. Alantappudu, please don't get panic. You just immediately approach your invigilator or examiner and immediately inform them. If you just waste your time over there, then that will become a problem. If you inform them, they'll give you that extra time, and don't get panic with such situations and all. And if you need logarithms for the calculations, you can inform your invigilator. They'll provide you with the logarithm sheets, the rock papers and all. Okay, so take care of all these things. First of all, choosing the right questions and then recollecting the important formulae at the right time. For all these things, you need to maintain composure. You should be very cool when you are in the examination hall. Don't get panic. If the paper is tough, you must understand that it will be equally tough for all the students who are taking the exam. If your performance is better than many of the students, definitely you will score well. So keeping all these things in mind, we wish you a very good luck and perform well in the examinations. Okay.